Hi everyone and welcome to today's video. This is an A2 level vocabulary lesson and we're continuing the series about things that you would find in a city. So first we'll take a look at these vocabulary words. These are the words we're going to be talking about. So how many of these do you already know? Traffic light, apartment, block, church, hospital, road, park, club, sidewalk, university, cinema, building, skyscraper, library, sports stadium, school, car, bar, highway, sports center, factory. So what can you see? This is a hospital. This is a sports stadium. This is a cinema. This is a library. This is a sports center. This is a bar. This is a parking lot. And this looks like a concert venue, a concert hall, or possibly a stadium. So the doctor works at the hospital. People go to the cinema to watch movies. You can play basketball at the sports center. You can read and borrow books at the library. So, where do you eat popcorn? You eat popcorn at the cinema. Where do you play indoor tennis? You play indoor tennis at the sports center. Where do you read books and magazines? You read books and magazines at the library. Where do you go when you are sick? You go to the hospital when you are sick. Right? And then let's go for a drink at the bar. Let's go dancing at the club. Let's park the car in the car park or the parking lot. Americans usually say parking lot. I think in the UK car park is more common. And let's watch the football game at the stadium. So we're going to match the gym bags with the place. Or, I'm sorry, the pictures with the place. The first picture is a gym bag, so that might be a sports center. Football ticket would go with a stadium. Beer would go with the bar. And book with the library. Okay, now we're going to match the words that are connected. So a doctor works at a hospital. You would see a football game at a sports stadium. You would watch a movie at the cinema. And you would have wine at a bar. All right, now you can pause the video, try these on your own, fill in the gaps in each sentence with a word from the boxes, and then restart when you're ready to check your answers. Your father will take you to the hospital to see the doctor. The sports stadium is sold out for the football game today. The cinema is playing my favorite movie at 9 p.m. tonight. Meet Andrew at the library. He wants to show you some books to read. Angela plays basketball every Saturday at the sports center. Julie went dancing last night at the club. Let's go to the bar for a drink. The car park is full. Where will we park the car? So in big cities, many people live in an apartment building or an apartment block or a high rise. And the world's tallest skyscraper is in Dubai. This man works in an office building, and these people are working in a factory. Christians pray in a church, Muslims pray in a mosque, Hindus pray in a temple, and Jews pray in a synagogue. So we're going to match the pictures. She is a Christian. She prays in a church. They are Muslim. They pray in a mosque. So we'll match these words. So Christian, church, Jew, synagogue, Muslim, mosque, and Hindu, temple. Again, fill in the gaps in the sentences below with words from the boxes. So Jason works on floor 20 in an office building. I love looking up at all the skyscrapers in New York City. Daniel's father works in a factory that makes cars. In my city, most people live in apartment blocks. They are usually 10 to 15 floors high. Jane always goes to her church on Christmas Day. The Hindu temple is busy during Hindu holidays. The family goes to a synagogue every Saturday. Saturday is the main prayer day for Jews. And the Khan family are Muslim. They pray at a mosque. Okay, so what are some things we can see? This is a park. This is a sidewalk. This is a road or street. And this is a highway. This is a pedestrian crossing. These are traffic lights. This is a university. And this is a school. So we'll match the pictures to the sentences. Andrew and Alex walk in the park every day after work. And I go to school every day at 8 a.m. The street is not very busy on Sunday evening. There is a sidewalk between our building and the road. So that would be the sidewalk there. If the traffic lights are red, you must stop the car. I studied for 4 years at university. It's safer to cross the road at the pedestrian crossing. The highway has 4 lanes on each side. Again, these are some additional fill in the blank for more practice. The university teaches medicine, law, and business. The park is a great place to play baseball. At Jillian's school, there are students from grade 1 to grade 6. And the street is full of traffic every day during rush hour. The highway from London to Bristol is under construction. The trip will take 3 hours. It is dangerous to cross the road. Use the pedestrian crossing. If the traffic lights are yellow, you must slow down. And the sidewalk is for walking only. You cannot bike or drive on it. So where do you need to go? So if I want to see a movie, you can go to the cinema. I need to borrow some books. You can go to the library. I want to watch a football game. You can go to the sports stadium. I feel sick. You can go to the hospital. If you want to, I want to exercise. So you can go to the sports center. I need to park my car. You can go to a parking lot. I want to go to law school. You can go to university. I need to cross the road. You can go to the pedestrian crossing. I want to have a picnic. You can go to the park. All right, and here are the words that we started with at the beginning. Hopefully, if there were any that you didn't know, you know them now. And that brings us to the end of today's video. Please like, subscribe, share, and if you have any questions, leave those for me in the comments. Thanks for watching. Bye.